to see you, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, sir. Can I get your name, please?
Jaden Robeson.
All right, Mr. Robertson, this is the time set for your initial appearance. I'm seeing you today on some felony charges for aggravated assault, armed robbery, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, aggravated robbery, minor in possession of a firearm, and discharge of firearm in city limits. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney at all proceedings. I'm appointing the Pima County Public Defender's Office to represent you, and you have counsel seated next to you for purposes of today. I got to set some release conditions. I've reviewed the pretrial services report, the interim complaint. The state's written recommendation is $50,000. Mr. Poston, do you have anything further to add?
Your Honor, this person is alleged to have absolutely beat somebody to a pulp and then shot him in the neck. The alleged victim positively identified the defendant as the shooter. And we're looking at, he's got a significant juvie record. This is a firearms crime. But for the good work of medical professionals, we would be looking at a murder charge here, Your Honor, $50,000. His age is absolutely irrelevant in this case.
All right, thank you. Ms. Daubert?
And just a correction to the facts. The interim complaint makes it very clear that these were non-life threatening injuries. Nevertheless, we acknowledge that Mr. Robeson is 17 years old and ask that you consider that and consider releasing him to the supervision of his family. If you're unwilling to do that, I think that a bond closer to $5,000 is appropriate.
All right, thank you. I do think a bond is appropriate in this matter. An order bond of $30,000, cash or secured, release to pretrial if posted. Conditions include no drugs, no alcohol, absolutely no firearms, monitoring treatment as directed by pretrial, no contact with any, the alleged victim of the case, do not go to the incident location. And once you're released, provide an attorney with proof of your address. Your next court date, Mr. Robeson, is going to be April 7th at 1:30 p.m., which is a preliminary hearing. That date may or may not go, so just keep in contact with your attorney. If you fail to appear for court, a warrant can issue for your arrest. You understand all that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You're excused for today.